Mass International and Equipment Nigeria Limited is one of the best tractor and other farming machinery suppliers in Nigeria and other West African countries. Having the broad range of efficient and cost-effective brand new tractors and other farming machineries such as Prit 100 HP, Prit 75 HP, Prit 6549, Swaraj 855 FE, Swaraj 963 FE, Swaraj 960 FE, MF390, MF399, MF375, MF385. We also have combine harvester, post-hole digger, fertilizer broadcaster, potato planter, cotton planter, front dozer blade, rear blade, disc flog, disc rigger, disc harrow, multi-crop seal drill, and lots more. You can visit our head office at number 2025B, Binji Close off Emeka Iyanku Street, Area 11 Garki, Abuja, or our branch office at plot number 85632 along Kaduna Zaria Express Highway, Rigachukun, Kaduna, Nigeria, or also visit our website at www.massequipment.com. You can simply call our hotline 080-3786-7057, 080-3653-1913. Mass International and Equipment Nigeria Limited. All your agricultural needs are covered.